Hello and welcome to KnowledgeHut. Scrum is a popular method of software development in these days. In this video, we will try to understand what is Scrum in the simplest way. In software development, the person who decides what kind of software or product is to be built is known as the product owner. The people who build what is asked by the product owner are known as the development team. The product which is built is then used by the customers. When this software development process is conducted by following Agile, then an incremental approach is followed. If you have seen our Scrum versus Agile video, then you must be knowing that Agile follows certain values in developing products. So, while following Agile, value is delivered to the customers in small and regular increments. Then customer feedback is taken in order to understand the customer's view towards the product. The product owner then collects the feedback from the customers and from various stakeholders. Then, according to all the feedbacks, he creates a prioritized list of features which should be added to the product or software. This prioritized list is known as the product backlog. The development team then tries to add these features to the product in order to make the product better, and the process keeps repeating. Now, Scrum adds some more routines and rituals to this process. The person who helps in facilitating these rituals is known as the Scrum Master. A Scrum team works in sprints. A sprint is a time box of 1 month or less. A sprint planning meeting is conducted before every sprint, which is attended by the Scrum Master, the development team, and the product owner. All of them select the high-priority items from the product backlog in such a way that the development team can deliver them in one single sprint. The list of selected items is known as the sprint backlog. The development team works on the sprint backlog throughout the sprint. During the sprint, every day a daily Scrum meeting is held. In this meeting, each participant answers 3 questions. What did you do yesterday? What will you do today? And what are the impediments in your way? The outcome of the sprint is potentially shippable product. It is called potentially shippable because now it depends on the product owner that whether he wants to ship the product or whether he wants some more features to be added in the product. Sprint review and sprint retrospective are the 2 rituals which occur post-sprint. In sprint review, the Scrum team showcases what it accomplished during the sprint. It's kind of a demo of the new features added in the product. And finally, in sprint retrospective, the team contemplate on what went well, what went bad, and what could be improved. The object of a sprint retrospective is to improve the sprints which will be held in the future. So this is all about Scrum. We hope it was clear. Thank you for watching. Do hit the like button if you liked this video and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.